thing when I went to upgrade my shop was the work surface. I connected a bench dog kind of tabletop along with a miter saw stand, and this is my main work area. So I have been using this for about the last 6 months and making little tweaks here and there. I am planning to do a couple more things, but it's on casters so I can roll it in and out, roll it into the driveway on a nice day. And so that has been a kind of a huge improvement. Prior to that, I was doing all of my work on a couple mobile project centers and a track horse. Whenever I had to do any work, I would set up and tear down and put some 2x4s that spanned across, and that's where I would do all my work. Since then, and here recent additions, you see kind of my tinker area. I get to sit down, get to do some finer detail work. That's not where I'm going to be doing a whole lot of assembly, but it is a little bit of, where I'm going to sit down, where I'm going to draw, where I'm going to kind of plan out my project. And one thing I'm very, very excited about, and I was planning on building this for a while, is my flip top table. I did have my planer, so that was there kind of just sitting up and taking up space. I would quick move it over to my work surface, use it, and then put it back against the wall. So I really wanted to build this. When I built that, I really gave me the opportunity to buy the spindle sander that you see underneath it as an additional tool that really didn't take up any more space, and being in a third stall garage, that is a big factor for me. Lastly, I did have my ACS, my Craig adaptive cutting system there in the corner. I roll that out, do all of my cuts on there. My shop is a little small for a table saw, and this works out great because I can make all the cuts that I want to make using that saw or using my miter saw. So that's been kind of a huge advantage for me in my shop.